How to change inverted camera on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Locate and tap on Camera from this list to open its specific settings menu. From here, you can manage all camera preferences, like video recording formats, the grid, and photo capture styles. On the camera settings page, scroll down until you find the composition section. Below this section, you will find the toggle switch for mirror front camera. Turn on the switch for this option. This saves selfies as they appear in the preview, like a mirror image. To stop your phone from inverting selfies, simply tap this toggle to turn the feature on or off. Following these steps, you can easily change the inverted camera setting on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.